Welcome back to Thursday Night Racing. This is Hot Rods Aussie style. Let's get into tonight's program. Driving for NZ Racing right out of New Zealand is Scorpio Love Smith in the Austin Healey. They've won 4, folks, 4 in a row. Can they make it 5? The challenge is great, so let's find out. And back on the track is Po Boy Racing from the USA. That's right, folks, he's driving the Way Too Fast. We know how fast the Way Too Fast can go. With that twin engine block, can he keep it straight on Mount Western Raceway? Let's find out.
Race 1.
That's right, MC. I'm a bit concerned tonight. These two guys are going to go hard. They're going to fight until the bitter end. Po Boy gets his first race.
Race 2. Winner is Po Boy Racing in the Way Too Fast. Oh, here comes Scorpio Love Smith.
Scorpio comes in for a late charge. Po Boy Racing 2 out of 2. This might be over with very soon.
Race 3. Winner, Scorpio Love Smith in the Austin Healey on behalf of NZ Racing.
Scorpio Love Smith for NZ Racing gets across the line, gets his first win. These guys are pounding the track down.
Race 4. It's Po Boy Racing. Oh, he hit that back wall hard. And here comes Scorpio.
Wow, what an upset we have here, folks. Po Boy Racing in the Way Too Fast comes out of nowhere. It's a 3-1 out of race 4. Congratulations, Po Boy. Let's look at the top 8. There's Po Boy. He gets his first win right here on Hot Rods. And Scorpio Love Smith, we will see you again on the track very soon. Let's wrap it up. This is top of race 1. Let's try and dissect tonight's racing. Po Boy in the Way Too Fast goes out very quick out of turn 1. The problem with the Way Too Fast is keeping him straight. He has too much power. But right here, race 1, he crosses the line and slams it into the back wall. Check it out. Wham! Let's look at race 2. Check out this manoeuvre right up the top. There's Po Boy, just slides right in front of Scorpio. Blocks Scorpio, slows him down, and Po Boy's all the way. Scorpio's gone. He's out of this race. If Po Boy can hang on and get across the line. Beautiful line out of turn 2. Here he is, crosses the line for his second win. And another big hit. And Scorpio, he's just cruising in. Race 3, you can see what happens here with the Way Too Fast. He's got too much power, and when he hits the sidewalls, he's gone. Scorpio seizes this opportunity on behalf of NZ Racing. I love the line out of turn 2. Scorpio floors it right here, crosses the line and gets his first win in tonight's Hot Rods. A little bit late, I'm not too sure what is happening. I think he's a bit rattled by Po Boy. This is race 4. Po Boy is powering out of turn 1, hitting the sidewalls, and Scorpio gives him a little nudge. Bang! I'm almost certain if Scorpio hadn't hit Po Boy, he might have won this race. But there's Po Boy in the Way Too Fast. He crosses the line, hits that back wall, and gets his first win on Hot Rods on Mount Western Raceway. A big thank you to NZ Racing and Scorpio Love Smith. See you guys on the track soon. Well, there he is. Here's your new club champion, Po Boy Racing. He holds that cup up high and proud. Coming up next Monday night is one of the crowd favourites. That's right, folks. It's Toon Tracks Racing. He's in the T-Bucket. Look at this thing. This thing has pace. It has power. But can he stand up to Po Boy Racing from the USA? See you Monday night, 5 p.m. Aussie time. Catch ya.